Good morning, friends. We know there are summer holidays or vacations in the Supreme Court, but still some of the cases are listed which are of urgent nature. How to decide that the case is of urgent nature? I am explaining that in this video. There are following categories of cases of urgent nature which can be filed during vacation or holidays. First one is cases in which death penalty has been awarded, petitions for habeas corpus and matters relating to it, cases relating to imminent apprehension of demolition of property, cases relating to dispossession, eviction, cases relating to violation of human rights, cases relating to and of public importance, cases seeking anticipatory bail, and cases filed against order refusing or granting bail. So these are the few cases which due to urgency can be listed during holiday or summer vacation. I will be before you in next video with important information. Please be connected to my channel. That's all.